let's look at adding a swing beat to the Calypso strum. It's a subtle shift, but it makes a big difference in the rhythm of your particular song. So remember that our Calypso strum in a standard beat is 1, 2, here we go, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and da, 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 da. Even though it's syncopated there with that emphasis on the up strum, you can still hear that the beats are divided evenly. Ba, 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 ba. Remember, when we go to a swing beat, we're going to lilt those beats. We're going to kind of divide them unevenly. So my down strums will be the same, but the up strums are going to feel a little fast, like we're hanging down low at the bottom of that down strum and sort of using those up strums as more of like a hiccup or sort of the beginning of a heartbeat. Let me play again the standard Calypso strum, and then we'll switch to a swing beat. Da, 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 da. That's the beat I want going in my head. Da, 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 da. Here comes the swing now. Da, 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 da. Right? Mixing that up. And for the Calypso, the pattern is ba, 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 ba. 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now for contrast, let's go back to standard. Here we go. And da 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 da. Big difference. Close your eyes. See how that feels. See what it sounds like. Da 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 da. Switch to swing time. Keep your eyes closed if that's helpful, or you can watch me if that visual is helpful too. Back to standard and da, 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 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and swing. Da, 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 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3. One more time, back to standard. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time to swing. Go. Da, 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 da. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and pause. Nicely done. Remember, those contrasts can be really helpful. And it's a great chance to take, especially if you're really familiar with the Calypso strum, if you're one of those folks who can only play Calypso, it's a great way to then contrast that standard and swing beat for yourself as well. So there's lots going on here to process. Feel free to come back and do that contrast exercise with me anytime. But I'd encourage you to do it on your own too, so you really know what each of those drum patterns feel like, what they sound like to you. And notice that I was also counting part of the time and just also doing a rhythm pattern part of the time. See what feels good for you, but try them both because I think that they're both helpful in centering you on those strums as you go. Enjoy.